The pillars of creation are some of the most iconic structures in our universe, and now we're getting an up-close and personal look at them like never before. The James Webb Space Telescope has captured stunning new images of the pillars, and we can't wait to see what secrets they hold. What mysteries does this distant corner of our cosmos hold? And what can we learn from these incredible new images? Let's find out. Hey space enthusiasts, welcome back to Space Realm, the only place where you can find in-depth research about this infinite universe. So without wasting much more time, let's begin. In 1995, the Hubble Space Telescope wowed the world with an image of a cosmic landscape called Pillars of Creation. This image dates back 27 years. In the image, the Eagle Nebula, which is one of the most prolific star factories in the Milky Way galaxy, can be seen to contain towering mountains made of gas and dust. It was a visual triumph for the newly repaired and reborn Hubble, which had been marred by a blurred lens that prevented it from recording clearer scenes of the cosmos. It was high art from deep space. Now, the James Webb Space Telescope, which will take over for Hubble when it retires, has trained its infrared eyes to peer through the same columns and examine the infants who are still resting in their dirty cradles. Cherry red streaks and waves can be seen in the new image of the pillars that was released on Wednesday. These are jets of material that were squeezed out of globs of gas and dust that were baby protostars as they collapsed and heated up on their way to becoming stars. The Webb telescope was developed over a period of 20 years and costing around $10 billion before it was finally launched on Christmas Day of the previous year into an orbit around the Sun and 1 million miles away from Earth. The launch was a tremendous success, as was the complicated process that had to be carried out in space before the telescope could be put into its operational mode. Infrared light is a type of electromagnetic radiation with wavelengths that are longer than visible light. The Webb telescope is designed to see colors that the human eye has never seen before. Astronomers are able to see faraway galaxies whose light has transitioned into the infrared as they move away from the Earth, and to see through dust clouds that litter the lanes of interstellar space when they view the universe at these wavelengths. The telescope has demonstrated its usefulness. In the past few months, it has amazed astronomers with new views of a universe that they thought they knew. Galaxies and stars at the edge of time, only a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. Spooky pictures of planets like Neptune and Jupiter. Delicate probes of the atmospheres of exoplanets that are possible layers of alien life forms. A few of debris from a small asteroid just after the NASA DART spacecraft. The Eagle Nebula is located in the constellation Serpens, which gets its name from the Latin word for serpent. It is approximately 6,500 light-years away from Earth. Nebula 16, also known as Messier 16, is a collection of starlight that is so faint that it is only visible to the naked eye on clear summer evenings in July and August. A few million years from now, the nebula will no longer exist because its ferocious stellar progeny will have evaporated it like a fleecy wind-blown cirrus cloud on a summer afternoon. The near-infrared camera on Webb, also known as the NIRCam, was used to create the latest image. Astronomers stated in a news release that the observation by the telescope would allow for a better census of the nebula's stars and their types, and that this would allow them to improve their models and theories regarding how stars are formed, how they escape from their dusty creches, how they die, and how they pass on their substances to future generations. Ashes to ashes, dust to the dust. And that's pretty much it for this video. Do hit the subscribe button if you want to watch more videos like this, and we will see you in the next one.